What's up, you guys? James here. I just want to show you the property we're starting. This is a minimum trimming. We usually do it every couple years. He's got a bunch of oaks around. What we do is go around and lift them back up, as you've seen previously on the other videos I've did. But we come through them and give them a minimum trim, which will lift them up, remove the dead wood. Just to let y'all know how my day started, I actually got pulled over on the way to work this morning. Well, my business partner did, and he did get a ticket for speed, and he needs to slow down a little bit. But what I'm going to do here is start trimming this tree, and I'll get back with y'all shortly. Alright guys, I'm going to get started trimming. If y'all like the way I trim, please hit the comment down below, like and subscribe. Thanks a lot, and here I go. Hit that post notification also. Thank y'all. As y'all can see, guys, I start from the inside out. You can remove the inside layers, which lifts it up to the next level. It releases weight off the oak, and it takes it up. So no cars will hit it. It actually does real good for the tree. Just wanted to share that with y'all. And remember, subscribe to my channel. I do a lot of properties. I'll get back to work. Thank y'all so much for watching.